Welcome. Today we will plot and draw different linear equation in graph paper. In example 14, there are three linear equations. Y is equal to 1 by 2x, y is equal to x and y is equal to 2x. At first we will draw y is equal to 1 by 2x. Each linear equation will represent a straight line. To draw each line in graph paper, we need to find the coordinates. At first we draw the x-axis and y-axis in the graph paper. Horizontal line is the x-axis and vertical line is the y-axis. Write x and x dash, also y and y dash. The intersecting point is O. To draw y is equal to 1 by 2x. We need to find three coordinate points. For this we will create a values table of x and y. Now to find coordinate, we can take any values of x, and each values of x will give the values of y. For this take x is equal to 0, then putting it in y is equal to 1 by 2x. We get y is equal to 0. Now create a values table. Here x is 0 and y is 0. Now put x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 1 by 2 into 1. Y is equal to 1 by 2. But it is difficult to plot any fraction in graph paper. So we will not take this point. Take another values of x is equal to 2, putting it in the equation. We get y is equal to 1 by 2 into 2. It gives y is equal to 1. Write it in table, when x is 2 then y is 1. Now take values of x is equal to 4. Putting it in the equation, we get y is equal to 1 by 2 into 4. It gives y is equal to 2. Put it in table x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. Now write the name of the coordinate points. Capital A, capital B and capital C. Therefore capital A is 0, 0, capital B is 2, 1, and capital C is 4, 2. Now we will plot these points in the graph paper. We take each broad line as one unit of length in the graph paper. Write the positive 1, 2, 3 in positive x-axis. Similarly, in positive y-axis, write 1, 2, 3. Write negative 1, negative 2 on the negative side of x and y-axis. Now plot point capital A 0, 0. Remember, always write the coordinate in between the first bracket. Next, we plot point capital B 2, 1. In horizontal x-axis it goes 2 unit. And in vertical it goes 1 unit. This is point B. Write the coordinate in first bracket. Now plot point capital C 4, 2. Horizontally 4 unit. And vertically 2 unit. Now join these 3 points by a straight line. Remember to put arrow on the both side of the line. This line is representing the linear equation y is equal to 1 by 2x. Now we draw next linear equation, which is y is equal to x. Create a values table of x and y for this equation. We put x is equal to 0. It gives y is equal to 0. When we put x is equal to 1, in the equation y is equal to x, it gives y is equal to 1. and putting x is equal to 2. It gives y is equal to 2. The coordinate points are capital D, 0, 0, capital E, 1, 1, and capital F, 2, 2. Now plotting these 3 points. Capital D, 0, 0. Then point capital E, 1, 1. Then point capital F, 2, 2. Joining 3 points, we get line representing the linear equation y is equal to x. Thank you.